Oh my goodness, guys, I'm so excited to show you this. I am finished with my craft table. Looky here. Okay, so what I used, as you saw in the previous videos, were the two 9-cubed organizers. So I put those together, and I used some scrapbook paper to kind of add some pizzazz to some of them, which you really can't see because the way they're facing, but yeah. So anyways, so there's one of them and some of the things I've organized in them. Those are kind of just raw craft supplies and things that I want to get done in the future. And now that I can see them, hopefully they are projects that will be getting done soon. This is Loki's blankie. He likes to lay here during the day. So he goes between this table now because it's elevated and over on my desk. So I need to get him another blankie to put on my desk. And yes, I love this space. I love it. It's long, it's wide, and it's just so gorgeous, and it was so cheap to put together compared to all the other desks like it out there. So yeah, so here's the other side of it, and I've got some further organization space because as you can see here, I've just kind of stored some containers that I have that are empty. So I've got some extra space here to fill up, and like here's my tier tray that I'm going to be using, and downstairs when I finally get my dining room straightened out. And yeah, and there's my my basket with some wreath frames and paper to do decoupage with if I see fit. Over here I have my this is a 3-drawer container, and then here is my one of my old sewing baskets. I've got a lot of cross stitch stuff in here and some floss, some of the cross stitch floss. Yeah, so I have all of my go-to supplies right here at hand. My glue gun's all set up, and yeah, guys, I'm really loving it. And that, like I said, that is a Dollar Tree supply organizer. It doesn't look like it's organized, but it is to me. Those are just supplies, you know, as the notion hits me, that's where I go. So yeah. But anyways, that's it. Oh, and down here, this is where I keep all of my beading supplies. I've got them all labeled and what size they are and all that. Oops. In there. And I've got extras in here and just the different findings, clasps, some metal beads, seed beads, just different glass beads and strings. So yeah, that's where I'm keeping all of my beading tools and beads. And there's all my extra cases, extra boxes. So I've got a couple of drawers that are kind of ready for more beads, which I've got a lot to organize. I'm quite behind. I think I'm like 5 months behind on my monthly beading subscription. So I have some organization to do. But yeah, anyways, that's my working surface. I need to get my cutting mat and set that up right here. That's all it took. It took the two 9-space cubes. There's Loki. And a door. Unfinished wooden door. And that's the hollow one. And it is extremely sturdy. If you're wondering, like, I'm shaking it pretty good. You can see the glue sticks wiggling. I'm shaking it, and it is not going anywhere because I used this non-slip cabinet or drawer liner that you can get. And I used that on the tops. So yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed it, and maybe you can save a little bit of money and use this idea to do one similar for your craft room. Thanks for watching, guys, and give me that thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. Thanks, and keep being kind to each other. Bye.